All right, here's our 5-foot Bigfoot base, sanded, prepped, and sealed. By the way, each and every one of them is custom fit for each Bigfoot. I make sure that everything works perfectly and easy, so it's easy for you when it goes out. Those screws will be coming out after it's painted, filled, and then repainted where the screw holes were. There's no other way to hang it. Anyhow, it takes quite a while to sand and prep, even after it's been CNC'd. Sorry about the messy shop, but we're getting ready for Christmas. That's why there's so many wrenches inside. And this year, now we have Bigfoots too. As I explained in the 7-foot Bigfoot painting video, we use Bear Ultra Premium paints. Pretty exclusive, I think, to Home Depot. It's like 25-year paint. It's expensive. It's like $50 a gallon. But we use the best paint just about that you can on these so that they'll last for you for a long time. We use the exclusively the 3M PPS 2.0 painting system, which is a HVLP, high volume, low pressure gun. Uses these atomizing tips. They're available in 1.3, 1.4, 1.8, and 2.0. We use a 1.8 because the paint is pretty thick. It's a paint and primer in one. For cars and stuff, you can use the same system and use the 1.3 and 1.4. But this is what it looks like. It has the pressure regulator built in. I think you got to keep 35 pounds constant. I use the big cups for painting Bigfoots because we use so much paint. But they also have smaller ones for detail and touch-up. I don't really need to wear a mask. It's house paint, but I do because it atomizes it so small that I don't want to be breathing that stuff in. I've got a big giant fan in my bay door and then one on the exit door, but just in case. All right, so I'm gonna go to the, time lapse, because it's easier for you guys to watch the whole thing. It's very boring.